Yo, what going on, man? Welcome back to another one. Y'all know the lingo, so y'all know how it go, man. I give y'all a second to go and do y'all thing, handle y'all business, you know what I'm saying? Alright, that should be long enough. But y'all already know, man, we had some issues with MayRose, man. You know what I'm saying? Fuel line popped on me. So today we finna go ahead and it's a noise. I don't know what that was. But today, I'm finna go ahead, take this line off up here. Take this take the fuel line off, the front fuel line off. So I think it goes this goes from the rail to the regulator. So gonna take that off, repair that, put it back. Then we gonna drop the tank. I don't know how much gas in it. Hopefully it ain't full. I know it ain't full. But we gonna drop the tank. Y'all see it over there? Right up. AC Delco box. My wife calling me. AC Delco box, man. And finna put the new fuel pump in there. And the new sending unit. Hold on. Yeah. Also, man, in the process, this is really what I was waiting on though. I had to get me some I'm upgrading the wiring, man, from the fuel pump to the front of the car, man, because I never, like, I don't know if y'all remember, but that first time I took my car out, my fuel pump wire landed on my exhaust and it grounded it out. And I never changed that wire. I think I just cut out that spot that burnt up. So I never changed it. So, and plus it's the little bitty wire anyway. I'll show y'all that when I get up on the hood, but it's a little bitty wire. But when I got this here, man, 8 gauge. Gonna run that 8 gauge, man, from the tank to the front of the car, man. Get a little more voltage, man, to that old fuel pump. Like I said, I got a new fuel pump. It ain't nothing wrong with this one, I don't think, but I'm gonna change it anyway. So yeah. With that being said, I'm finna go ahead and get to work because yeah, I need to get to work and my car has been down way too long. So yeah, working on that and working on this transmission situation. So hopefully I can knock this out, give me a transmission. Well, not give me a transmission today because I gotta order a cross member. And then try to do all that. So man, with all that being said, man, let me go and get to work. Let me go and get started. Hit y'all in a minute, man.
What's on?
The damn copyright. Sick of your ass.
Ugly as hell.
Got the line out. And this man come over here, man, to supervise and shit.
Get your butterball turkey dressed ass on.
Yeah, alright.
I ain't supervising shit. I'm gonna get the hell up out of here.
Man, supervise.
I'm trying to figure out, all you gotta do, this line not long enough to go back up there.
It was already tight.
You didn't do it right.
What you mean?
You're not supposed to cut that. It's supposed to slide on top of that.
I didn't cut that shit. That's how it was. Retarded ass boy.
You know what? I don't have to take this.
You don't gotta take it.
I'm going home.
You can get in your fucking RC car. Oh. Oh. Boy, I said, ain't no way, boy. Hey, bro, come on back, bro. I need you to do this for me.
Do what?
Put this on the line for me.
I'm finna go.
No, you ain't, bro. You just got out of work. The man said mandatory overtime. Hey, where you going? Where you going?
I gotta go home.
It's chop-out time.
Huh?
It's chop-out time.
What?
It's chop-out time.
He parked the bumper.
Look, you finna park in the driveway. Look. Oh my God. All right, we got the line fixed. Now we gotta put it back on. Out with the old. Which you wasn't even nothing wrong with it on this end. So I'm gonna just. I'm gonna cut this bad end off right here. Cut it off at this tape about right here. Or cut it. I'll probably put me another line. Cut it about right here. But there go the new line made. Gonna run that back through. And yeah. Gonna run that back through, man. And I don't know if I'm gonna drop that tank tonight, man. I ain't lying. I really don't feel like it. But we'll see once I put this line in here and get everything back up. Get everything back up, man. We'll see how it works, but right now I swear I don't feel like it. Ooh, man. It's hot. Wrestling with that line, it really just ain't I just don't like it. But anyway, let me put this line back on here, man. Let me throw this line on real quick and yeah. Alright, got it back on. All I gotta do is tighten it down. Now I gotta work on the rest of this. Like this right here, my little fuel line. This is my little fuel I heard is coming from a fuel pump right here. So I'm finna upgrade that to that 8 gauge, man. Let me see. You probably can't see it. Nah, you can't see it, but the regulator back hooked up. I gotta tighten it too. So I'm finna tighten it now. And then I'm gonna have to drop this tank, man. So I can get to the grits and the gravy. I don't want to, but I need that center unit in there also. Now is the time to do it, so I'll knock that out. And yeah. So yeah, man, let me get on back to doing what I need to do. I hate when them horse flies come in here. Them so big. But yeah, let me get to that, man. I'm trying to think if I even want to deal with that tank tonight. Deal with that tank another day. Fine. I'm tired, y'all. It's hard, man. Coming home from work and working again, man. So, I might go and knock that. At least get it set up to do it. Oh, Memphis Black pulling up. Yeah. Scrape that old bumper. Rich people problems. Yeah, man. Let me tighten this down. Alright, man. I just tighten the line down. Mine cycled the key. No leaks, no wet spots from either end, from the front end or the back end. So, yeah, we good on it. So now, y'all can't even see that junk. Now, man, we gotta tackle this wire, man. I don't think I'm gonna do it tonight. I think I'm finna shut it down. So I come back either tomorrow or the next day. Go ahead, drop that tank. Drop the tank, and see, drop the tank, do that wire, do my fuel pump and all that good stuff, and yeah. So let me wrap all this up, man. Now I'm finna take it in the house, cause I'm hot. I need a bath. All that good stuff. So yeah, I man, tie y'all back in when I, get to messing with all this back here, all this stuff.